It's your boy Miguel for the TheMobileMechanic757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. I am making a lot of videos on these GDI engines, and it never fails to amaze me or what I see all the time. I don't know what these manufacturers, what they're thinking, but these poor customers. So I literally just got finished working on a Honda over there. Customer wanted me to do a diagnostic on this particular, that was a Hyundai. This is a Kia. Something said check the oil. The other Hyundai that's pretty much down and gone because it ran out of oil with a GDI engine. Well, guess what? This is the second vehicle, same customer. No fault of the customer. There's hardly no oil on this dipstick, so I'm so glad that they wanted a diagnostic on their brakes. But I always check people's oil because it never fails. I save a lot of people, put it that way, and I'm not here to take all their money and all that great stuff. On my vehicle, it literally says people before profit. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. It says it right there, people for profit. So I'm keeping my word. With that being said, I'm checking this customer's back brakes, but something said check the oil. Another GDI engine. These engines burn oil very quickly. When you get around 80 to 90,000 miles, that high pressure fuel pump is really putting a beating on this engine. The fuel pump on this particular vehicle is sitting, where are you at? Somewhere on this vehicle, there it is, sitting right there. This is putting a lot of pressure on that piston, 4,000 extra pounds on that piston, and wearing out the piston rings, and the oil just burning right through going right out the tailpipe. With that being said, if you have one of these vehicles, make sure you check your oil every time you put gas in your car, or I will come to you smiling. You could do $7 quarts of oil, or you can do a $5,000 to $6,000 engine. I'm here to educate people. I'm not here to put nobody down or make fun of them. I'm being straight up with you guys. I made a lot of videos just on GDI Ecotech EcoBoost engines. These high pressure fuel pumps, they are a beating. They're putting too much pressure on it, and it wears out the engine a lot quicker. And if you have a turbo, that's even worse. So with these engines, you must change the oil every 3,000 miles. It also runs the variable timing, which runs off the oil. So you won't get away with it if you choose to let the oil get low, or if you choose not to do anything at all. I guarantee you will lose the engine, or it will be trashed, and I will be smiling at you. With that being said, check the oil every time you put gas in this vehicle. Just do it. Save yourself a lot of time and energy. And if you can avoid these engines, avoid them like the plague if you can. If you can't and you already got it, just take my advice. You'll be happy in the long term. Trade it in before you get over 100,000. If you already have over 100,000, just keep checking the oil. 80 to 100,000, check that oil every time you put in gas. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. And if you